Yeah. So if you don't want, no one knows who are you, so I'm not gonna say.
Oh,
It's
I don't
Jimmy.
care. I've got nothing on. So,
No worries. Oh, okay. Let's see what's happened. I don't know. I don't want that. I'm a little bit confused. No one knows who are you.
look at Tokyo Open there. Like I was gonna, if you had a volume.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking the order flow now. I'm gonna start, but
Yeah.
let's see.
And I literally had my finger on the buy and I just hesitated. So yeah.
You had it before?
No, I hesitated. Like I was sitting there, I was about to buy it, and I just hesitated, and I'm like, yeah, so I didn't take it. No.
Yeah. No, and I think it's better to wait now for Shanghai Open.
Yeah.
Right? Because it's not so easy to guess.
And I think we're in the middle of this range from yesterday anyway, so or just below it. So
yeah, that's what is calling my attention actually. That that price it open higher, and also like yields are going up, the dollar is going up, and oil is a little bit stable though. But so far, I think we should sell if it loses this zone. That's what I was looking when I did like a little bit analysis. Yeah. Actually, the session opened with let's see, high drawings. So the session opened inside previous day, right? But we are below point of control, so until it doesn't really reclaim this zone, I think we are still bearish. Like this is what I was drawing before. If starts reclaiming above here, I said okay, it looks better, but so far I don't think so. Yeah, so I think now if it starts dropping, let's say go to the 50 minutes, if it starts breaking down, we could enter a sell with a tight stop loss around here, for example, like, yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
Well, that's not so tight, but but let's see. Let me check. I don't know why my camera is not working. Give me 1 second. Oh yeah, but I missed you yesterday. It was fun to be in the live stream. Like Doreska was joining, and also Tamas was.
Okay.
Tamas was very happy because he had like an amazing day. So in the live stream, we were all like, "Oh, thank you, like so grateful to be in the group."
Man, he was in trouble on Friday. I kept saying to him, I said, "Man, you got balls. You got balls holding these shorts, and like Trump was talking, and it just kept going up, and I'm like, man, you're crazy."
Yeah, so, no, like our rule is that above the VWAP, we don't sell. Like Friday was like going up. It was holding the VWAP, so there was not really a reason to sell. And plus,
he had 4 positions on, and he only got stopped out of 1. So the stops would have been huge. Like,
that's painful though.
I'll give him credit though. He did it well.
Of course, because he also was.
I would have been pulling my hair out, going crazy.
Yeah, totally. Me too. We don't like tight stop, such a wide stop losses, right?
That's what I said to him. Like he was playing with his son in the park, and I'm like, man, how do you keep your head on the straight? Like you down. You would have been down about 20 grand at some stage. So
yeah. Let's see. I want to change my phone. I don't know why. There it is. Finally. Okay. Now it is good. That this thing about the live stream is the whole world, So I'm learning something new. But I like it.
Yeah, well, if we can make you famous, like we can help you out, yeah.
Yeah, well, the point is actually just to have fun. It also helps me to feel a little bit like the responsibility, you know, to make good decisions, to share. I think that's also important. Because...
All right, 1 minute.
1 minute? Okay, let's see what's happening.
Yep. Get ready.
Yeah, I'm looking at the order flow. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, I only see charts.
Only the chart? Oh, let me check.
Yeah, where your mouse is now, that's what I can see.
1 second. Ah, so here is Doreska. Doreska is awake. It's not sleeping.
Oh my God.
You're there.
I don't know if I'll be here long, but I'm here at the beginning at least.
Okay, good. Good.
I was asleep in her. I said, let me get up, let me try. Sometimes when I've done this, it really sort of screws me up for the rest of the day. I get, you know...
Oh my God. For me, sleeping is like the most important part of trading, you know? Like, if I don't sleep well, I don't make good decisions.
Yeah. But this, for me, I mean, I slept a little bit, and then I'm awake now, but I'm going to go back to bed. So.
Of course. I mean, that's what I do. I sleep late, but then I really make the effort of, like, sleeping. Then I don't put the alarm to wake up early or something.
Yeah.
Like, okay, Shanghai open now. Let's see. I want to see the order flow. Maybe you guys can see the order flow?
No.
No?
Unless that's on is that the chart on the right there? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, so this is what I am actually looking.
Yeah.
I see that the VWAP is lost. Let's see. I'm gonna pull out the 15-minute time frame because it usually shows a better... This would have been a good sell here because you see this... I want to enter a sell, guys. Yeah, I'm entering here, and I'm gonna put the stop loss above the high. A micro contract. Wait a minute. Don't enter so fast. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get in with one contract.
Order filled.
And if it pulls back a little higher, I'm gonna get in again because I think it could make... Yeah, Shanghai open, it doesn't look good. Look at that candle. Oh, but a lot of sellers got in the wick here. Do you see that? Why is not moving so good? So what does
that 60 mean down there? What does that mean?
These are these are big orders entering at the bottom of the cell, at the bottom of the candle, and this is not so good because you want to see that sellers are actually inside or at the top. If you are selling, you want to sell the top, right? So you want to see that, but here. Or for example, a good sell is also to see buyers here trapped. Right? But now this, I'm thinking about closing. It's just that the conditions now are a little bit difficult because Trump is saying yes and no, and is pulling out like news. So the market is kind of like calming down, but then. Let's see. I'm gonna hold it, and the stop loss is not gonna hurt me so much if I put it around here.
Order placed.
Yeah, but you see, same as this morning in the New Year session. Too much volume, too much selling volume here, and price was unable to keep falling. So that is like I should have.
I got in a buys off that spike, but I closed half of it in loss. But
you got in. You got in a buy.
Oh Yeah. Just based off that 60, yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm gonna only get inside a buy if I see that price starts reclaiming for 4,000.
But it still come back down though, yeah. So
yeah, you want to secure your profit though, because this could have been a spike, but I want to see that the price is reclaiming at least the VWAP. So yeah, this is gonna be one module inside the mentoring. How to use this, the divergence, how to read it, like all the indicators you can have. Let's wait. The dollar is going up a bit. Yields are stable, I think. How are the news today, actually? Forex Factory? Do we have? Tomorrow we don't have relevant news. That's good. And Wednesday we have PMI. Thursday, no news. And Friday, NFP. Ooh, that's gonna be fun to look. But I'm not entering. Or maybe yes, but I want to see what's happening in NFP, right? That's gonna be fun to see with the order flow. I think it's that's gonna be fun to look. Yeah, you see that price is unable yet to reclaim the VWAP. I think that today we could have a little bit like a little bit of a quiet session, the Asian session. I'm not sure.
That sounds nice.
Huh?
I said that sounds nice.
Yeah, then you can sleep in. Yeah.
There's so much going on. I feel pulled to stay.
But did you hold yourself from yesterday, right?
I took some out. I got taken out on something. It depends where I move my stock.
Okay.
But a couple I got taken out because there was quite the spike, wasn't there?
Right. Yeah. I mean, this was the best place to take some profits here, I think.
Yeah.
Because it's always the same. Like we were saying, we have been looking. It's always if Asian session sells, like here, and then London session also sells, then New York gives the retracement, and it happens majority. I don't know. I haven't seen a day that this doesn't happen.
Okay.
Like it's like a little bit of like a rule. Or if I will see something like the opposite, for example, a New Year Asian session bullish, and then London session bullish, then New York gives the retracement.
Okay. Yeah. That's generally how it goes, isn't it? Yeah. Interesting.
So we are inside value, I think. Where is yesterday value? Value area high from yesterday is around 4,525, around here. So what I expect is to have a rotational day until we have some news, because I think yesterday's tweet that Trump was saying that he got like a little bit of a ceasefire in Lebanon, that was calming the market. you could see right away like yields dropping, also like dollar dropping. So, and also the oil is dropping a bit. So I think
And
probably
also,
today we could have a rotational day.
We've already swept the high of New York.
Here, this one.
Yeah.
And this one gave a pullback. I mean, we swept it.
Yeah.
And then yeah, the open almost always makes something like this.
Yeah.
Maybe if, for example, we come here to this low, this could also be a buying opportunity, I think.
Yeah.
If the selling pressure is not so big.
Let us see. Let's see.
And how did the candle close yesterday? The daily candle. I closed very bearish.
Oh, the daily?
Yeah. It was kind of bearish, right? High indicators.
Let me just give a different.
What I don't like are these lows. It's too, like, look at those equal lows in the daily candle.
Cheeky.
I mean, this is a target for sure.
Interesting.
Yeah. You see that gold is a little bit with selling pressure yet. It cannot reclaim the VWAP.
I should have restarted my computer. God.
How's that order flow looking?
Negative. The delta is negative. Do you see it?
Yep.
Yeah, like sellers are coming in. Inside also the candle, where I see sellers. Inside here, that's also bearish. Also here, and sellers entered well. In good position here. But yeah, if it cannot reclaim the VWAP, I think that's, if it could reclaim the VWAP, then I go inside. A biped so far, well, yeah. That's the point that I think with the news is a little bit difficult because I think it's gonna be choppy today. I'm not sure. But we have some rules, right? You know, Jimmy, what are our rules? You know? Do you have?
We only sort of take trades on the of the previous session, like like we take buys in the value area lows. So
yeah, but
versa.
I will say like one of the main rules we have is actually price below the VWAP, sellers in control. Price above the VWAP, buyers in control. But I think it's choppy now. Oh, you see? Sellers are being absorbed here. Like, for example, yesterday when Shanghai opened, the drop was immediately. I think it was here.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was here at 9 here. Yeah, the drop was immediate. And it dropped so hard and it was so good. I went to sleep happy.
Down and then it moved up, yeah.
Oh. Yeah. This is a nice candle.
Oh, these buys are going.
Yeah, good. Well done, Jimmy.
I was in sells and buys. I was hedging, but the buys looked stronger. So that order flow program you got there, is that a task or whatever it is?
Yeah, but like now I'm live streaming in YouTube, so I'm not like reviewing it, but we are gonna make a private class for our
Oh,
group.
okay. Sorry.
So we can, no worries, but then we can like set it up and talk more about it, and I can show you guys.
Cool.
Okay, because that's
Because
like
in the back of my head,
next.
seeing that 60 there, I was like, the buyers, like you said,
But
the way you explained it.
You understand now,
Yeah.
like you understand it.
Yeah.
Like when I say like, okay, sellers are trapped here at the week. You know, like if you see that sellers got trapped there. Okay, I'm gonna close this.
Yeah.
Should I? No, I'm not closing. I'm gonna
No,
wait.
I've still got it open. I still got mine open with the,
Oof.
you know, the opening of
Order
that
cancelled.
candle, of that bearish candle. That's what I stopped as well.
Oil and
Yeah,
DXY are pretty negative at the moment, so
Yeah, it's not
silver's,
looking. It's not
silver's
looking.
roaring at the
I'm
moment.
gonna
too.
close this.
You sure me?
Yeah, I think so. Alright, wait a moment. Because we are anyways at the value area high. So, yeah, it's not so much. It doesn't hurt me.
Order cancelled.
It's over. Yeah, what I want to see is that, for example, I want to see the price trending because for so far, the VWAP and the 200 moving average is flat. Oh, now, like perfect. Now it's dropping. So I think that price is choppy around this area because you see that the moving average, the VWAP is flat. What we need to see is like price trending, right? So it's not happening so far. I want to see price trending like yesterday to enter sales, or but then you say I was right. Like this was the value area high, so price is gonna stay around here, building value until it breaks. Yeah.
Oh, what a retrace.
That's good. You did it. First thing. That's the point, that you have to react fast. If you know how to react fast, then you win. The market doesn't
I
blink.
generally take profit as it's going like quite quickly. Yeah, just try and reduce risk. And got stopped out of my run at it.
Yeah, but oil is dropping. Impressive. Yeah. So now the way I would look at is, I want to see a breakout in the 50-minute time frame, but it's not. I think it's gonna continue to go up, for example, because this 50-minute candle, it closed above this. There was not a 50-minute candle breaking down, and the next target for buys, it could be around 4,508. I want to see price holding.
What time frame was that on? You just changed it to the order flow. Yeah, what time?
This is
frame?
1
Oh,
minute.
5 minute.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Here we
So it
go.
looks like you got a ton of sellers trapped there.
Yeah.
Like heaps, and it's coming back down.
Yeah, because we are inside value. We are here until we don't break. I think price will keep choppy, and fundamentally, also the fact that the news were a little bit like, okay, ceasefire, and then no, and then yes, it's like, but oil is dropping, dollar is stable, yields are dropping, so I think the probabilities of gold going higher after yesterday's drop is there. I don't know if it's high or not, but it's not easy today. I was looking, the Usman Asram, this trader, the founder from Trade Sela. And so the brother is also like a trader, and he was saying that these conditions, they are so difficult because he has never been in such a conditions where the geopolitics and the news and the tweets, and it makes everything harder and harder at the end. You cannot get like a bias.
It's a good time to be trading if you can. It's got to make you stronger.
Yeah, I hope so. I mean,
if you can hack it, I swear.
During January and February and March, we were trading the craziest conditions ever, I think, in gold, right?
Yeah, you were printing money, literally.
We were printing money. It was insane. I miss it so much. It was so fun.
Yeah.
I think we were all very happy.
Oh, it was easy.
It was easy. Yeah, gold is inside value until it doesn't break. This is gonna be buy the value area low, sell the value area high.
The sellers keep trying to get through that support.
Yeah, I've got on the, if you're looking at the spot, I've got a 1 minute gap down at 4480, so I still think it has to come down here first.
What?
It's only a very small gap, but
yeah.
I have a small 1 minute gap down at 4480. But,
Order filled.
Okay.
Order placed.
It's not a recommendation, but I got in a buy, targeting the high. Because I think that it's gonna stay choppy here.
Yeah, I do like buys. Just waiting for it to come down a bit more.
Yeah. But yeah, one very good tool I use to see how is the opening range, the initial balance, is actually time price opportunity. We're gonna have a class, a whole section about like time price opportunity, which is one of the best tools for me. Because when the opening range, the initial balance, they call it, is very tight, like it is now, later during the day, you get like a big breakout.
Okay.
And when the day opens with a big move, for example, the first half an hour or the first hour, gold makes like a huge move, the price tends to come back to the initial balance. It's very interesting, that tool, like the TPO. And you. Yeah. But it's boring like this. I think it's gonna stay inside value until it breaks.
Order cancelled.
I move my take profit a little bit higher. But Dori, you were there this morning. We should have entered buys in gold around here.
I put a lot of selling, but
yeah, it was like a good. I mean, next time I'm gonna enter. You know, when we are in New Year session, and we see the same situation, then it's like a buy. It gives always the reversal. Now I see that oil is dropping, dollar is dropping. Yields, how are yields? Yeah, still negative for the opening. One thing that Tamas does, I think, a lot is he see how is the opening for the Asian market. Like, for example, you can see here Asia.
Mm-hmm.
And then you can see how it opened the market. At least the market is a little bit positive. How is the Kospi or something? There are some like Asian markets here.
See, look, there we go. Look, the sellers are trying.
Oh yeah.
Again, that support.
Yeah, it's trying to get this gap down at 4480. It will get it, but I don't know. It will definitely feel that, but I don't know where it's going to go from there. So it could just keep dropping, or it might retrace and go back up. But it'll definitely come down to that.
Which is the gap?
US 30's down. There's a 1 minute gap, so it's down at. If you're looking on XAU, it's down at. You won't see it on TradingView. I only can see it on my broker. So it's at 4480. It's only literally. You will not see it on TradingView.
Is it a gap up that you're looking that you see?
It's off that initial. So if you're looking on a 1 minute chart, it was roughly 10 minutes ago. It was off that spike going up. Yep, just where your mouse is there. Yeah, I've got a gap at my broker, not on TradingView. So yeah.
Ah, okay, not on TradingView. Oh, good.
Yeah, you will not see it on TradingView. That's I don't fully rely on TradingView all the time.
Yeah.
Come on.
So it's just about filled it.
Yeah,
hang on.
An ugly open. He's like, no.
Yeah, just touched it.
Yeah, I will go back to sleep if I am you, Dori. So I'm sure that.
Don't give your profits back, though.
I would love it to flush, and I move my stop, and then I'll just leave it.
I'm sure that New Year's session is gonna be better because we need some catalyst for this.
That'd be cool. Get some energy for later.
Yeah. I'm also gonna close soon if this continues like this. So how is the opening actually? Let's see how is like S&P is negative.
Yeah, everything's negative, like stocks are. Yeah.
The Nasdaq is negative.
S&P is down 25, Nasdaq's down 150, USD down 200.
Nasdaq, I'm in the sell.
Ah, you are good.
Nice.
Yeah, yesterday you got it. Super
very nice.
How is the Kospi? This is the Korean market. It opened okay. Or no? Where did it open? No, it's below the. It's not so positive. Yeah, it's negative. Everything is negative. Now that I'm seeing. But even oil is negative. Oil is negative. Like crypto is negative. What is up? Oh, VIX is up. VIX is up, and that means that we could get a little bit of a pullback in the indices that you are already selling, right? Yeah, VIX is 5% up. Nvidia is 6% up. Wow, what happened? But this was from yesterday. 2-year yield is up. 10-year yield. And the Japanese yields are not so bad.
That gap still did not close. It literally just missed it. So I don't know if we will come back down to fill it. So and then go up. But
I cannot see it.
Could just shoot off.
You should send it inside the group. So this is the weekly VWAP, I think. Yeah, if we can get above the weekly VWAP, then that's more positive, I think, for gold around here. Because now we are above the daily VWAP. And if gold could get above the weekly VWAP, even more positive for gold. Yeah, but now it goes. I want to see something. TPO.
Is your order flow saying anything?
Yeah, buyers are present in the market. Yeah, I like how it opened. Actually, those trap sellers at the bottom looks good.
Order cancelled.
I'm moving. Are you still in?
Me, no. I got stopped out on a runner off that big pullback, so I didn't re-enter, even though I still think this is going to go up. But yeah.
But you remember when I always talk about poor lows, and unfinished action is actually from the TPO. You can see that here yesterday we left poor highs, which this is unfinished action. When you get these poor highs, it means that a lot of buyers got trapped here. So price, like the business was not finished here. Negotiations were not finished according to TPO. So we could come and clean these highs. There was also.
So how do you know that's a poor? How do you know that's a poor high? Like what shows that?
The TPO. This
is but like, what in the TPO there? Like
you can set it up here. Poor highs, poor lows. You need to extend them. And then you can also have the single prints when its market moves very fast. You see this purple line here?
Yeah.
These are single prints. That it means like an inefficiency because price move very fast across this price. And this like for me is one of the best ever tools because when I see something like this, these single prints you see here, you see there is only 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks of 30 minutes. This means that the market rejected completely these prices and then it dropped from there. When I see that this happens, especially at what time happened, when this happens, this was 11, so this was around New Year's session, I think. Yeah, it was on Friday. So price completely, it swept the highs that we had from previous days. Look here, we had like a poor low, it touched the single prints, the purple ones here, and then it rejected completely. This is one of the best like indicators that price is gonna drop hard, and it did. Last year, when we had this situation that price was in a consolidation from, I think from April to September, I was always looking the TPO to know because many times happened that price was in a range for 6 months. And this was value area high right here. And when I saw that the price was rejecting this level so strong that it left single prints with the TPO, I was selling. And then I was targeting the value area low, which was like so many pips, thousands of pips, I think. So this is one class that we are gonna have inside the mentoring, and it's amazing. I love the TPO. It gives you.
Yeah, you need premium for that.
Yeah.
That looks interesting. Yeah.
But once you have the software, you can also have it here. It's okay. I have it here. Here I have.
Okay. Does it show those poor highs and lows in there too?
Yeah. Here I don't have actually. This is more volume profile, but the TPO, you can set it up. We have a naked point of control. From here, yeah, it's different, the levels inside this software. The levels are quite different. What I will do is that from this, where do I have the fib? Fib. So from high to low, this is the area which we are interested, which is, yeah, yesterday value area high, around here, 4,530. If we are going to reject, I think that's the level.
Order cancelled.
Drawing the fib. Yeah, but volume is very shitty. But still going up, gold. But yeah, the single prints and TPO.
Yeah, this looks yuck.
Look at that. But for me, when the Asian session doesn't drop so hard, it's actually that there is hope.
Yeah, some days you'll get like a $50 move just in the first hour. I mean, in the second hour.
Yeah. When there is panic.
Like they're crazy.
Yeah, but I think.
Yeah, you got one on Thursday, I think, last week. Like it just kept going. I was watching you on it, but I didn't take it. So.
Yeah, Thursday was like a great day. I think we sold here. We sold this one. We sold the Asian session here. And I shared it in the Alpha community.
Yeah.
I think
also.
You did. So we like.
Because they were selling and you were buying.
It was perfect target here. Yeah, no, when you see such a 50-minute candle and then price like holding, then it's like, okay, target the lows. And it did. Actually, the target was perfect. I'm going to exit my sell at break even. I don't like the price action today.
Look at those 1 minute candles, please.
Yeah, they're looking yup. I still reckon it's got to fill this gap, and then it could flip back up. Because silver's strong, like to the upside. Yeah, like everything looks good for gold to take off, and it's not. So
no, but sometimes it takes time. What I also look is not silver, is palladium. This metal is a leading indicator.
Palladium, yeah?
Yeah, palladium. Like all the other metals, they follow.
But not platinum, is it?
No,
yeah?
this is palladium. This is
the
leading metal. Like when you see, for example, a divergence, for example, palladium dropping a lot, it means that gold is gonna follow. I mean, majority of the time.
I look at platinum, I look at silver, I look at what else do I look at? Yeah, copper.
Copper.
I didn't look at palladium. Oh, that's interesting.
yeah, copper's made all-time highs, I think. Yeah, so
Chile is so lucky to have like so much copper. I think in Australia you also have, right?
Yeah, we've got huge amounts of copper here. Yeah. So, but we're not smart enough to. What's the word? We're smart enough to extract it, but we're not smart enough to process it. You know, so.
Well, China does, I think.
Yes, China does it all. Yeah, so you know.
But Bitcoin?
Not very smart in Australia.
I don't think so. Maybe it's cheaper to do it in China.
No, we're not smart. Especially with our fuel as well. That's why we've got a fuel crisis here.
But actually, Australia is not so bad. Like other currencies, I saw, for example, like the rating of the Australian is good, but for example, like the Argentinian peso is like junk, it's trash.
Yeah,
trash.
It's only good because we've had 3 rate hikes already this year, and no one else has. So yeah, that's what's made our dollar stronger.
Look, crude oil dropping a lot. The dollar a little bit lower, yeah, like. And yields down for the day. And Thomas was entering a sell last night before sleeping. I think he got in around here, right?
I didn't check.
Yeah, he reckons it's going to go down to like 4,350 or something. Yeah.
Wow. It's just that this Trump keeps manipulating the market. That's the problem.
4,280 time.
At least
Yeah, he's probably right, but it'll probably only do that on Friday. And yeah, I don't trade NFP at all. So.
And Bitcoin is dropping so hard.
Oh my God! Look at it, yeah. I'm happy when Bitcoin makes me make money.
Yeah, it's paying the bills.
Sorry, go ahead.
No, it's good. I didn't want to say
I'm just saying I've lost the count because of Bitcoin in the past. So finally.
And Nasdaq is also dropping, so you are in a good position.
Well, yeah.
But the whole market is dropping now,
S&P.
so I think everything is gonna follow.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Gold as well. Gold as well.
Here we go. We're going for that gap.
Oh, he's going for that gap. Wait.
Yeah, it's nearly hit it again. It's got to go a bit more lower.
Yeah.
Difficult open.
If it closes on the other side of that gap, maybe a sign.
Yeah, I don't know. It just looks yuck today.
Yeah. Yuck.
I'm just curious to see what happens when it closes gap, whether it flies back up or it might continue down. So.
But it's definitely in accumulation here, so I don't recommend to.
Yeah, exactly.
All right, close that gap. Just hit it then. Yeah, it did hit it. But yeah, like I would not know where it's going to go here.
Yeah, like sellers are trying to push it lower, but the point that they got trapped here.
I want to see the big number come up on the low there, so I want to see sellers get trapped. Yeah. And then I'll be convinced we would be going up. But
Like, look at that. That was on Friday. Sellers trap here
oh, nice.
at the top. So
Yeah.
many buyers here also, but then these buyers not good position. Then price start dropping, and there was a clear sell.
Man, you held that so well because I actually got the start of that move, and I'm like, I took my profits quick.
On Friday?
But yeah, totally. So
It was
you
insane.
cleaned up that.
I was so happy that actually it worked so nicely because the news they help us. Yeah. You have a desk, Dori?
Huh?
You have a separate desk, so you don't. Your family must be sleeping.
Oh yeah, I'm in a different room. I'm in a different room.
When I'm with my boyfriend, he helps me so much because he is so disciplined. He sleeps at always early, and then when I'm without him, I don't have a routine.
Mine is he's fast asleep.
He's asleep now.
He won't even know I woke up. You woke up, you say you're crazy. You won't be saying that when the money rolls in.
Yeah, that's true. My boyfriend is happy. You know?
Exactly. There she goes. Look, she's gonna drop.
Yeah, sellers are pushing. Command was like a difficult open for me actually, but it's okay. I don't care.
Yeah, it doesn't look good.
It's just that it's accumulating. The point that like the indices are dropping so much, I don't like it. For gold, I think could keep dropping, but until it doesn't break.
You still have that Nasdaq short on, Dory?
I do.
Oh, nice.
So I've just got one micro future on it on my futures
Oh,
account.
good.
But yeah.
Did you open that trade during Asia, or did you have it open prior?
No. The futures one I've opened just a couple of minutes ago. I don't know.
Okay, nice. Nice work.
I've been trying it. I kept getting taken out on my CFP accounts. I've got it open from yesterday, and you know it's different because your stop loss is not as expensive as it is on futures. You know.
No.
But yeah, that's open, and I can move my stop into profit, and then I think I might just hold
Go to
it
bed.
a little bit, or I might take it and go to bed. Yeah, let me just move my stopwatch now.
Ooh, what happened
Whoa.
here?
Oh, you see? Crazy.
Yeah, this price action today is not a good open, I tell you.
Sometimes you get this like these mad wick camps. So where did you come from? You blink, you miss it.
You see, because we are in value, like
Yeah,
price
okay, yeah.
price is consolidating here.
So part of it.
Okay.
That's the thing.
Yeah, it's creating swing failure patterns everywhere here. So I think now the range is between 4,475 and 4,500. Yeah, that's the point. Palladium. Yeah, once you get this a breakout above here, I think it's better for gold, but not so far, nothing.
Tomorrow I'm going to add that to my chart.
But oil dropping.
One of my dogs is crying. She's probably looking for me.
Who? Your daughter?
One of my dogs.
Oh.
Where are you? I'm coming.
Okay. Maybe I see you guys around New Year session.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking that way.
Better to, be there for when it's worth it.
Yeah.
Or maybe now it's gonna break out or what? Week and week. I don't know.
I'm tired.
Yeah, go to
I'm
rest.
ready to sleep. I'm gonna call it. Alright, guys.
Have a good night,
See
Donnie.
you.
See you
Okay, see you
tomorrow.
later.
Take care, guys.
Bye bye. Yeah. And plus we are I think like yesterday was also the first day of the month, so I think we anyways have to go up a bit. Value has to be built here. This is the 4 hour, yeah. I think we today probably price will go to 4,500 and 20, 30. I don't know. It keeps dropping now. Whoa. Are you selling, Jimmy?
No, not yet.
Because the dollar jumped. Okay. That's why. Okay, I'm out.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, it lost the VWAP here. And why did the dollar was jumping so strong? The 4-hour just open. I'm gonna, yeah, last try with a white
Order
stop loss, and I'm gonna in a sell now. If this doesn't work, I'm out for the day. Oh, again. Unbelievable. Yeah, but this one requires a little bit of patience. Worst case scenario is that price keeps chopping around the VWAP around here.
Order placed.
Yeah, but the fact that indices are dropping so much, Bitcoin is dropping a lot, it means that the market is risk off. I was making a course in options and like the most important part is like actually like investors, they always trade on what Thomas is always calling about risk on or risk off. Okay, there it goes. I got in. I wanna target this. Actually, the best target for us is this one. These lows. Daily. Here. There it goes. Oh, big. Yeah, you know, the sellers are entering here.
Yes.
In good positions. So I mean,
I didn't close my position yet, so I'm still on it. Cool.
you're back.
Nasdaq or you're
Both of them.
Uh-oh.
okay, yeah, nice.
It's dropping strongly. Wow.
After it was waiting for me to okay, I'll pull it out.
Yeah. It tricked me. It tricked me down and then up and then now again like down. But it's okay. I didn't know so much.
So you got that number 112 there. So
Yeah.
obviously a seller's getting trapped there.
Not trapped. They are inside the candle.
Okay.
They are just sellers getting.
So yeah. So would you go to a lower time frame to see how relevant that number would be? Like you went down to say 3 minutes or 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm now in the 15 minutes, which is the best time frame.
Okay.
But also 5 minutes, it's okay. But now that I'm looking these sellers getting in, I am gonna hold it. And targeting what is Thomas targeting? 4,350, right?
Somewhere down there, yeah.
His ultimate. He said 4,360.
Yeah, I'm gonna target only yesterday, previous day low.
Yeah.
I think that's enough.
Order cancelled.
Is good. What I don't want to see is that this week and the sellers trapped at the week. Right?
Yes, that's what I'm asking, yeah.
because that's why the 15-minute time frame is too slow for me. I like to trade in the 1
Yeah.
minute.
So can you just like put a 3-minute chart up and just see like how big the number is?
Where,
Like
sorry?
just out of interest. The 3-minute, like
3 minute? I
yeah,
don't have 3 minutes.
3-minute.
I have 1, 5, 10, 15.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
No worries.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm gonna close it. I don't like this, I think. Should I? No, I'm gonna. It's just one minute sometimes confuse me.
No, yeah. Don't look at the 1 minute. I was just curious. That's all.
Yeah.
Sorry.
But what I don't like is this one again, you know? Because I see that price is, it could chop around value today.
Because I was literally going to end up buy off that wick on the 1 minute, but
Now?
I'm like, no, it's too late. It's too late for me now. I think I'll miss the move. So,
Oh, yeah, it's happening. It's funny.
yeah.
Okay,
I
patient.
wanted more volume in it. Like there wasn't enough volume on that retrace, so it could come back down again. So.
Here, now, which time frame are you looking? The 3 minute?
I look on the 1 minute, but I look at the volume on the 3 minute, so I use like white hot volume.
And volume like this?
Yeah, so I look for a spike, and see how there wasn't a spike. So yeah, which leads me to believe we could possibly come down on So usually, if it's a reversal, you will get, especially on a 1 minute chart, you will get a massive spike at the low there, meaning that buyers would have been coming in.
In the 1 minute, you will get like a spike, and we didn't. Yeah.
Yeah, but it doesn't happen all the time. See, like this could be a reversal here, but like usually you get like it's massive. Like you.
Like the reverse. For example, let's see here. What I look is something different. Well, here we got like a bullish candle with a big spike in the 1 minute, right?
Mm-hmm.
But what we saw in the 5 minute yesterday was that, for example, here, with Dori, we were live trading this. And then I saw that in this downtrend, the volume was decreasing here. So that's why I closed the sell yesterday, and I said, here, price could retrace and go all the way up, as it did here. I should have entered at buy yesterday, but yeah, now the volume is very low. I'm just gonna wait. I think it's gonna go both ways. I don't know. At least the 15-minute candle, it closed like.
Don't forget the 4-hour candle's about to close too. So.
I have, in this broker it says in 3 hours.
Yeah, that's Awanda. Awanda's not correct for the 4-hour close. I have to tell a few people that,
But yesterday we got like these equal lows, ugly. Like that's why I think I'm gonna put the target here. First target. We also have a naked point of control from last week in 3,390. So that is a magnet.
Wow, this better not go up. Like silver's retraced all, DXY is positive. Oil is not really moving.
Yuck, like you say. Yuck.
Yes.
Yuck.
Yeah, I'm not enjoying Asia. Like apart from that last Thursday, with you and that monster trade, like yesterday was terrible. But in saying London was good yesterday too.
Yesterday, London? Yeah, was like a good downtrend, right?
Yeah, I got some good buys on that.
Here?
Like on the retrace, yeah, that's where I bought it right there.
Nice. Ah, because you bought the value area low here? You bought the sweep? Perfect.
Yep, sweep. Yeah, literally did a sweep of the sweep, and then I didn't hold it for that long. So because I knew by New York they were going to come, the sellers were going to come back in.
Yeah, perfect.
And I knew because the Tomas had his whole house on short, so I'm like, I don't want to trade against that.
He was go all in. He was right. All in shorts.
Yeah.
But
And he's right. So yeah.
So far, I think sells. If gold cannot reclaim here, this zone, then sales look better. Yeah, the price action. Look at the bonds, the yields, the dollar, the oil dropping. That's such a nice price action, to be honest. Oof. Why?
Wow.
I knew it since the beginning of the session, like. Okay.
Yeah, I think I'm done.
Yeah, me too. It hurt me enough already. I'm done. I'm gonna close it. So I'm not gonna close it, I'm gonna hold a bit because I think it's gonna stay choppy around this zone. But then we had also a naked point of control here. So it could make something like this. I don't know. I'm gonna hold for it. But yeah, you're leaving. I think I'm gonna finish the live stream. Yucky session so far. Right?
Yeah, I was still close to these buys kicking in.
I think
Buys said,
what my intuition tells me is that price like is gonna stay choppy, so we have to only trade the wicks. Oh look, now it left these equal lows here. I think it's a target. If it comes, and for example in London sessions sweeps this high, and then it sweeps also the naked point of control, then I think we could like look for sales here. I'm not gonna be awake.
yes.
And also if it sweeps the previous day low, I think that's also like a good entry for buys. But maybe New Year's session gives a better. But I bet that Trump is gonna come with a tweet to calm the markets.
Yeah, well, it's what time? He usually stays up pretty late, so it's time there now, 10 o'clock.
But Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are dropping very much, and also Bitcoin is dropping a lot, so market is risk off. Right, you have to go and work in the farm, Jimmy?
No, not really, not today.
Hardik is also here, is awake. I don't recommend to go in the market now, guys. Because oil is dropping, yields are dropping, and the dollar is a little bit like stable. It's not like yesterday where you got the Asian session and we got like immediately bearish reaction. That's better. But yeah, what we were talking is that if you see that we sweep previous day low and we got like the confirmation entry that we have seen the last live sessions, or we get a sweep of the high and then a retest of the value area high from yesterday, and also this naked point of control, that would also be a sell opportunity.
You still holding yourselves?
Yeah. But
good. Coming back down, it's good.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold it because I think that the fact that the indices are dropping so much and Bitcoin too, I think it could drop, but I'm not sure. It doesn't look well. The dollar is
You're just so patient. You're so good at it.
Me? Because I don't panic. You know, real.
You're way more patient than me.
No.
I could not hold it like that. I could not.
At the end, it doesn't hurt me. Even if it goes against me, I'm gonna close it like above here, I think. But I don't think so, because like this 1 hour candle is big, like it has a lot of volume, right? And a real invalidation for me for sales, it will be if like gold starts building value above previous day high around here. Like then I will say, okay, the price is going higher. But now I don't see that. We are still below like Friday's value. We are still below previous day point of control. So I think we are going lower. And also that the indices are dropping. Bitcoin is dropping so much. Bitcoin is dropping like hell. And I cannot believe we sold the 82, but I'm not holding myself. I closed it. I regret. There it goes. Sometimes it's better to look at the 1 hour, right? It eliminates the noise. Yeah, this here, it's a place that I will look for sales if price makes something like this, or even that. But I'm here. Yeah, and if price starts building value above yesterday's high, I think that's the point where we turn bullish. So far not. The dollar is going up. Yields.
Man, Tomas's trades, I was just having a look. Gee, he's cleaning up.
A G?
Tomas.
Yes.
I was just having a look at his trades.
Yeah.
I was asleep.
He's so happy in his sleep.
Very nice, very nice.
Yeah, I'm happy for him.
Because I said to him in the live session on Friday, I said, like, you know, how do you control yourself? And he's just like, he tried to explain like this concept to me, and then
how was it?
He went into so much drawdown. He went into so much drawdown. I just said, I don't know how you can keep yourself calm, you know.
How can you sleep?
Yeah, I couldn't.
Yeah,
and he held the trades open over the weekend too. So.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
But his fundamental analysis looks like very strong. Actually, he knows a lot.
Yeah.
And
but I've seen him sometimes. He's lost a lot too because of the fundamentals and.
Yeah, it's true.
Sometimes, they don't line up. But 9 times out of 10, he always makes money off.
Yeah, it's true. Sometimes it's only like liquidity grabs, like he was saying the other day also.
Yeah. So you're gonna do a live stream for New York, or?
Yeah, sure. New York, I'm liking more New York lately.
Mm.
But Bitcoin looks ugly. I think it's gonna go to 65. I saw that there is this there is like a buy wall around 65 and 60,000. It's the biggest buy wall. So I think it's gonna go to 65 very soon. Yeah. First target are these equal lows, I think, from my sell, which I'm still holding. I don't recommend to go in because price is a little bit choppy. That's why I haven't sent it inside the group. But yeah. Patient. How is the weather in Australia?
It's very cold actually. Which is good.
It's like Chile.
Yeah.
Now I remember. It's the same weather.
Yeah.
Like
so,
when
do you have a fireplace there to keep you warm? So
I have. No, actually, I don't have inside my house. I mean, yeah, I have one, but it's below in the living room. Here, I have only like a Toyotomi and like something, a heater, like how you say these things that you turn on in the wall.
The air conditioning.
Yeah. No, I sometimes I cannot sleep from like when I am without the heater. I cannot get out of my bed. It's too cold. The other night I was like this, like so cold, and I said I need a heater. So funny. But and it's raining. It has rain in Australia or not?
Yeah, just a little bit, yeah. But we're not expecting a lot of rain this summer, so
you also have El Niño, right?
Yes, the El Niño is actually it's very high, so we're gonna have a very hot, dry summer. Sorry, yeah.
Oh, hot, dry in summer, but the winter is also very like dry. I think it doesn't rain so much.
It is, yeah.
But cold.
Yeah, we've had some rain, but it hasn't rained for about 3 months here, or 2 months, so, yeah. But, like, I'm close to the beach anyway, so, like, I'm probably about 10 minutes off the coast. So,
nice. I love the beach. You also have the Pacific.
Yeah, the beaches are good here.
That's amazing. That's what I miss the most when I'm in Switzerland. I love the ocean.
Yeah. But when you're in Thailand, they'd have good beaches.
Yeah, but it's like flat. I am a Pacific Ocean girl. Like I like big waves. Okay. In Australia, it's also Pacific, right? I mean, you have Pacific on one side, and then.
Yeah, I don't like the waves too big, but yeah. We also have a lot of sharks, so yeah.
Yeah, sharks. No, that scares me. I'm glad I'm not swimming there. But yeah, in Thailand the water was like flat and very warm, which it's also nice, but I'm used to the other. I like the Pacific.
Do they have nice beaches though? Like, is the sand nice and stuff?
Yeah. It was so hot though. I think I don't come back anymore in March. Maybe in October. November, that's like a good season because it's not so hot. Okay, what's happening? You see price chopping. Eh. Trump claims Israel and Hezbollah agree ceasefire after Iran threats.
That's a lie.
Yeah, he's trying to manipulate the market, I think.
But it's, I don't know, I think the market's getting sick of it. Like, I think it's believing more the Iranian side.
Yeah. I also think. Mm-hmm.
Oh, I might get off, so...
Have a good day, Jimmy. Take care.
Yeah, you too, friend, and
see you.
I'll
maybe I see you for the New Year session.
Yeah, I'll try and be on, and good luck with your trades, and
thank you.
Tereska, good luck with your trades as well, and hopefully they go your way.
Yeah, today's
especially that Nasdaq. That's very nice.
Yeah, that's nice.
Dori is still here. So good.
I'm in and out.
Sorry. Look here.
But,
I'll see you later. Okay, take care.
See you. Take care.
It's like 3 in the morning for me. 3:15.
So late.
You know how it is when the price just holds you.
Yeah.
It stops you from going to bed. But as that trade, I was looking at my TP wasn't far from where it is now. I think I might, but it looks like it may drop lower. So I'm just.
The Nasdaq is still dropping,
you know what I mean? Just leave it.
But where do you, for example, at least you could target previous day low, and then maybe it gives some reaction.
That was my original target.
Yeah.
Look.
It looks good for like previous day low sweep.
Oh. What am I looking at here? Hang on. Yeah, I mean, London low. Yeah. That was my target. London low, which is similar to the previous day.
Mm-hmm.
On Friday. So, I'm happy with a little bit because I made a couple of little losses. And I was trying to, when I got into early this market opening on gold.
On the sell? Oh.
So I've got it back now. So.
Yeah, it's good to take the profit and then.
Yeah, exactly.
Book it.
Go to sleep.
Yeah. See the money, take the money.
Yes. See the money, take the money. All right, my dear. See you tomorrow. Yeah?
See you tomorrow. Have a good rest. It's so late for you. Bye. Okay, guys. Sogi is here. Hardik is also here. I am waiting. Actually, I don't recommend to go inside the market now. I don't like it. Asian session is not so nice for gold because the dollar is stable, yields are dropping, and oil is dropping, so we could have like a pump on gold, and it's confusing me. Yeah. We have value area high at 4,511 or 10, and then we also have this naked point of control here. So it could make something like this. Yeah, but I'm also out for the day. So I wish you good night, guys, and I will see you in the New Year session. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, Francisca.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Have a good night. I don't recommend to go in yet because it doesn't look such a directional session. Good night. Have a good day. Wishing you all the best there. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I want to get out and video chat live. And now stop streaming. Soy de Namaste.